I need to remove the back bumper in order to get this rear valence panel removed because of this, and also on the other side where it's melted here. The exhaust system from Elevate is kind of more set up for an S40 or I guess a C30, so the extensions here are short, and like a dummy I didn't put extensions, and I was kind of procrastinating doing that, and did a little bit, shall we say, some aggressive driving. And when I took a look in the rear, found all that melted. Didn't really find anything for C70, but there's a few videos online for C30 and S40. And taking a look at my C70, it looks pretty much the same thing. Remove 4 Torx 25 to free up your back bumper. Do that on both sides. I still need to get this Torx, which is on both sides. Underneath is, get under here, 2 connections. Torx here, and one I don't have to worry about because I'm missing it, resisting me a little bit. There we go. And we'll see if there's any wires connected, at least for the C70. It's coming off. Not seeing any. Not seeing any, and there you go. And it took me a few minutes to figure out a comfortable way to do this, really. I'm laying here on the ground with the bumper upside down, and I'm reaching over to grab back here, and then with a screwdriver, as I'm walking along on the other side, my fingers to lift, taking the screwdriver at the bottom lip to pull each tab, which I can't show you because I need the other hand for the camera, but as you can see, a little bit light, and then from the other side just kind of pull it out. So that's all of the bottom tabs along the edge, and see, I'm hoping that from the back I can lift this top edge, which may not be, if you can see my finger flashing on there, I'm lifting on the back edge of that, and should be able to just pull the whole thing out. You can see just working it from the back like so, it's already starting to pull out these top tabs. So there goes one, there goes another, almost. Got this one on the end that's holding me up. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Voila. All right, so got the valence panel removed like so. Not too bad, just gotta be patient with those tabs. Man, I don't know what I was thinking. I shouldn't have waited and I wouldn't have been in this mess. Yeah, that's what a exhaust tailpipe will do to you, and can even, dang, yep, I'm a dummy. That's what it looks like with the bumper off. Now let's put it all back together. Pretty easy putting it back together. Only takes a few minutes. Just, you know, after you get all the tabs lined up, all of them, you can kind of start one down low, and then what I did is I just kind of in reverse what I did before, just walked along these smaller tabs to get them to tab in, and then pushed to get these, and then just hit both sides on these outer edge ones. So there it is. Too easy. So let's get the bumper back on. Get your rear bumper situated, start lining up these two holes, and then start lining up your first tail light. Get that line. It doesn't look aligned in the camera, but I wanted to show where these 1, 2, 3 tabs, you can see, trying to get an angle here, little indentures where those tabs would fit in. So trying to doing this one-handed. Anyway, you see where it lines up. Let me do this. Same thing other side, pretty straightforward. I did have to, because the other side was fastened, did have to, I don't know, kind of pull more around and then pull it this way to get everything lined up. Not that big of a deal. Got it secured with the tabs and the trim, and then just bada bing, bada boom, screwed everything in. So we now got these two puppies lined up. Nice. Get that started. Lined up. Yep. As it should be if everything else is in. So tighten that, get those on the bottom, and yeah, that's it. And so pretty easy. I working on this car, I've started telling myself whenever I see a repair on by somebody else, like, oh, it'll take an hour, 2 hours, I apply what I've kind of called the do coefficient, you know, and kind of multiply it by 4, and maybe I'll get it done. This took me like about 45 minutes at the most, and that was wiping down, putting on the armor all for the new rear valence. So pretty simple. Pretty happy with how easy that was. A little mad that I had to do it to begin with, because I didn't, you know, with the tip extensions, but, you know, is what it is.